Hi, my name is Wiley. Today we're making chocolate chip macadamia nut cookies from scratch. First, we're going to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. The first ingredient is we're going to have 1.5 stick of butter and put it in room temperature. Next, we're going to need 2 1/8 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to need half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I just got the butter out of the butter wrapper, so we're going to use the same wrapper to grease the pan. Next, we're going to need 1 cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar, and we're going to dump both of them in the butter. And mix it in. Next, we're going to need 1 full egg and 1 egg yolk. Score. And mix it back in. Next, we're going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And mix it back in. Next, with your dry ingredient and your wet ingredient will go in the dry ingredient, and you have to put a little well in the dry ingredient and put the wet ingredient in the white ingredient. Next, we're going to mix it all in. We have macadamia nuts and chocolate chips. You can add less if you don't like that much, but you can have more if you like it. But if you're allergic, you can add none. So I love it, so we're going to add all of the macadamia nuts in our sugar and flour. These nuts are already cut in half. Next, we're going to need chocolate chips. Oh, we can just add the rest. So we're going to scrape that much, and we're going to scrape it off with your hand and make a big ball and then flatten it up. Make sure to wash your hands before doing this. You can make big cookies, you can make small cookies, but you have to put them in separate trays because they bake different times. The cookies are done. He baked the bigger ones 20 minutes and the smaller ones about 17 minutes, and let's try it. It tastes good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment on the comments below. Goodbye.